Well, hello, good day, folks. This is Jake here with the Austrian Nature Show team. And now that we have our apples, we can finally make some apple juice. I've got a secret recipe I think it's going to work out really good for us. Talked to a couple of the locals here. They gave me a few little cues. So, without further ado, we're going to make some apple juice. All right, enjoy.
Awesome, dude, we filled it up.
That's great.
Sweet, very nice. Oh, it looks great.
It even got a label. This stuff works great.
Awesome sweetness. Hey, don't drink too much.
That's delicious. Well, this is Austrian Nature Show team. Jake, my buddy. Tell you, it's easy to make apple juice. All right, folks. Stay tuned. We'll see you later.
See you.